Alright, well, we made it, you guys. Listen, stay tuned. I just don't want to go to the shop and like stick the camera on their face, but gonna show as much as I can. I mean, it's simple, but we had struggles. It's just you're gonna have to drill and like mount it. Like there is nothing really, it's not like DIY, like, you know, it's kind of DIY, but like I'm just gonna try to film as much as I can. That's what I'm trying to say. So without sticking the camera in their face or really stand in their way. Stay tuned. Let's see what they. Let's go see what they say. Alright, again, not easy, not the easiest install. We have to do our calculations, but look at this under the lights. Gonna try to film without talking too much. I'm not gonna put in music. You guys just see what's gonna happen. Oh, this is painful. But hey, we gotta do what we gotta do, you know? Because race car life, got to do what we got to do. A little bit of protector right here so shit doesn't fall down. I'm tired of waiting, so we're just gonna send it. Stay tuned. If you ask me what are you doing today, I'll be like, no, nothing much, just a regular Tuesday drilling into my Corvette. What about you? What are you doing on your Tuesday, huh? Oh my goodness. Because race car, because drift car, because everything. Measuring tools, blanket. Look at this. Oh yeah. As long as we did not hit our trusty bald eagle, we're fine. Catch you guys in a moment. Put the camera. We went to grab a couple of screws because these ones, the ones in the here, I think they're too small. So that's the carbon end plates. Look at this. Obviously, it's all gonna get polished up and everything. Maybe re-coat it even to make it the best it can. But these are the holes right here. There is no going back now. But it's gonna look so sick. I love it. I'm gonna talk about the spec after, because obviously in the shop I'm not gonna say the specs. When it's all done, I'm gonna say the specs, how much, where, all that stuff. But aluminum right here, carbon, and these are the plates 1, 2, and the third bolt right here. And this is gonna look awesome. Look at this. Cannot wait. I mean, look, this wing's supposed to be on from last year, but I procrastinated until I found the right guy, and they did my side skirts. Look how awesome of a job they did. Right here. I mean, just bolts straight up into the body, no gaps, no nothing. See from the front, and shout out to Joe's Refinishes. Right here, they're doing this beautiful Camaro right there inside, repainting it the same color, the green, but with stripes or different stripes. I think with the stripes he's keeping them on, but he's repainting the car the same color, green. But that's how we're looking. You guys really excited for this? By the way, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and YouTube. Subscribe, please make sure you subscribe. A lot of people watching are not subscribed yet. I do this for you guys. So Gumball 3000, it's in 2 months. And here we go with the bolts. So this is like this, plus this one is not like that. So we're going to just tie it a bit more to where it's, yep, this one is 2. Bam, just a little bit more, a little bit that way. Nope, a little bit that way. Just a hair. Bam. Looking good. Alright, look how it's just looking. Hell yeah, my eye is on you. Because we dropped the lug nut here and but we found it, but now it's on. I mean, look at this. We'll show this better later, but this is as best as we can get it. And let me tell you what, it's looking pretty damn good. You know how many people were waiting, my friends and family, how many people were waiting on this? A lot of people have been asking, not even on the wrap, they're asking on the wing. Oh yeah. Let's finish it and we'll get the final product. All right. It's on now. Let me go back and see my reaction. Which I already, oh, this is perfect. Man, I'm loving this. You guys ready? Bam. Look at this. Oh, and the thing is, this fits the body of the car perfect. I think it's the perfect height. It extends past the body and the mirror. I thought it was, actually it is with the mirror. It's exactly with the right end of the mirror right here, if you see. See where the mirror is? Boom, it's right with the end. This looks absolutely sick. Especially with the antenna too. It's like race car vibes. Hashtag because race car. So we're gonna readjust that just to put it down so these are even. But I'll take another look this way. Oh yeah, I love it. All right, here's the final product. Oh yeah, this is looking really sexy. I mean, even the cop's probably gonna just pull me over to look at it. Probably now.
That's the only time you want to see it.
Yeah. Now this was an angle, so from right here, this was all the way up there. So we put it down here again. So just to be, this is gonna be even, which it is now. That's how it looks. We're coming back to re-clear. Is it re-clear or re-polish again? Yeah. So this is gonna be all looking nice. I'm gonna take it out in the sun. We'll get better shots from this, but right now, that's what you guys are getting. That's how it looks. This looks so sick. With the Chevy emblems right here, which is really cool. I cannot believe yet I'm here, had my wing already on without, we ran into a couple like ditches, but we dipped them. The angle of how this thing sits and the measurement, this looks very even now. Now it's on. See, and it's the same angle. Right here. Bam. See how it sits? Perfect, as close to the edge as possible. I'm gonna enter a couple of shots of Rob Ferretti, my friend's car, and I'm gonna catch you guys at home. Actually in my driveway, so I can do a little bit of better shots. Hell yeah. Thumbs up. See? Thumbs up. Boom. There you go.
They're gonna see you coming out, pal.
Yeah. That's looking, they know me now. Look how sick this looks. Oh yeah, baby. Don't worry, there is nobody ahead. Look, and I can see the side pedestals from the back. Look how sick this looks. Oh yeah, sorry about the wind. I'm sorry about the wind, guys. We'll catch you home. Oh, sick. I think it looks very fantastic. Before I forget, let's pop the hatch. And yes, I will need a better shocks, because these are 20-year-old shocks. and I need to upgrade them anyways, so we're gonna have to pop it and lift at the same time, and lift all the way up. I don't know exactly how many, but it's way less than 20 pounds. So that's how he did it, and we did it in such a clean way. Look at this, the bolts right here, or the screws. I mean, this is the cleanest way we could have been done it. That's the bracket right here. See, there's no gaps or anything, before anyone says anything. No gaps, all of it flush to the body. Two screws right here. And got our trusty bald eagle. 2 screws right here, if the camera can focus. There we go. And the bracket right there. So that's how it looks. And bam, it's focusing, which is nice. So, and to put it down, I don't have to touch the carbon or the car. I can just touch the plates and boom. So this is made by Advanced Composite Products in Pennsylvania. They do the race car wings and all that stuff. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hey, you guys, I do this video for you guys. Making these videos are not easy. I'm gonna go edit it right now, and this takes time and effort. So in return, really would appreciate you subscribing, dropping the thumbs up on every video, and just share it with friends, share it with other C5 owners. You know, share it on all pages. That will really help me out. Go ahead and wrap today's video here. Final look. Mwah, amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.